Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a one-owner 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool features on it. This particular one does have the 225s. These are V6, horsepower to weight ratio is excellent. Boat cruises comfortably around 32 with great fuel economy. Top end speeds in the low 50s. So even with full tank of fuel, gear, and a lot of people, these motors do a great job. These are the optional white ones you see here. We also have our power pole right here, removable ski pylon. This is a very expensive option, the swim patio, but this works out great. There's a ladder that goes in there. Stainless steel rub rail all the way around. This boat has extremely low hours on it. Professional detail we had done about a week ago. So let's kind of jump in. I'll point out some of the cool features. So I kind of call this like a sport utility. So it's a great family boat, great entertaining boat, great fishing, offers a tremendous amount of seating, tremendous amount of storage. This one also has a raw water washdown back there, optional deluxe leaning post with your freshwater shower here, recirculating bait wall right here. Very, very comfortable helm seat for your driver and your passenger. Once again, more seating back here. Self-bailing cockpit, of course. That's the ladder we talked about before. That's the pump for the power pole. The Yeti cooler that tucks underneath there. Dedicated storage comes with the boat. This has twin Raymarine units, Mercury vessel view, Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF, of course digital throttle and shift right here. Hard top, all powder coated, very, very low maintenance. Fully enclosed head with a bow table. It's also a pump out. Lots of room in there. Battery switch is easy to get to. Going up front, we've got storage underneath all of these here. This has the beach boarding ladder underneath the hatch there. Tremendous amount of storage here in the garage. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods in there. All your equipment, all your fishing stuff, or if you're doing, a long weekend or something, all your luggage. So the 27 Dauntless has by far been one of Whaler's most popular boats. I personally own one of these, and by far my favorite boat. So this one's located at MarineMax in Venice. It's also online at MarineMax.com. But to recap, 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless, twin white 225 Verados, located at MarineMax in Venice. And if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a ring. My number is 941-376-3345. And we're going to be listing the boat at $199,950. So once again, thank you for taking your time. Look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.